Imagine walking into your bakehouse at 5 a.m., only to find all of yesterday's online orders already perfectly sorted. Sound impossible? This isn't a dream. It's a reality for many small bakeries leveraging the power of automation. For years, automation felt like a gated garden, accessible only to large corporations with vast resources. But N8N has dramatically changed this landscape, pushing those gates wide open for everyone, especially small businesses. Your primary investment here isn't money, but rather your time, which N8N helps you reclaim. Consider this: automating a task that takes just 15 minutes daily across 250 production days in a year. That's 62.5 hours annually, equivalent to a week and a half of paid labor reclaimed, without hiring anyone new. Now, imagine your entire bakery operation as a sophisticated factory line, specifically for cookie dough trays. Automation isn't about replacing the artisan baker. It's about ensuring that conveyor belt keeps moving, even at 3 a.m. N8N acts as your programmable conveyor belt, seamlessly moving data between different systems. It connects various stages of your business process, ensuring smooth and automated operation, like an oven for decision logic. Let's dive into some practical, real-world examples of how N8N can transform your bakery's daily operations. First, automatically transfer orders from Shopify directly to your production board, eliminating manual data entry. Second, set up crucial inventory alerts for key ingredients, preventing stockouts and ensuring timely reordering. Third, generate automated end-of-day reports summarizing sales and popular items, aiding informed decision-making. Successful bakeries often follow a simple, yet powerful, three-phase methodology I call the MIX framework. N stands for map your current workflows, I for integrate N8N with your existing systems, and X for experiment with new automations. By applying this framework, you can achieve total weekly savings of approximately 7.3 hours. This is nearly an entire extra production shift, gained without the need for additional hiring. Ready to launch your pilot automation project in just one afternoon? Here's your straightforward roadmap. First, identify repetitive tasks. Second, map your workflows. Third, start small with simple automations. Fourth, scale gradually as you gain confidence. And fifth, consider partnering with experts to accelerate your journey. Remember, the goal isn't perfection from day one. It's about embracing curiosity and continuous improvement. Let's debunk some common misconceptions. Automation isn't too complex, thanks to N8N's visual interface. And it's certainly not expensive, given N8N's open source nature and self-hosting options. Ultimately, automation is less about cold robotics and more about respecting human creativity and freeing up your valuable time. What part of your daily routine feels like scraping burnt crumbs off a tray? That's your signal to automate. Join my free Automate Genius community to continue this journey and unlock even more productivity for your bakery.